Hi guys, AR Malik here. Today we will learn how to check someone's location on Android phone. It's very simple and easy. First of all, you have to go in Google Maps. Click on Google Map application. Now application is open. There is current location. You have to click on your profile photo in top right corner. Click here. Now you have an option of location sharing. Click on this. Now tap on share location. Default time 1 hour is given. Increase it by clicking on this plus icon. Click here and increase its limit. Maximum limit is 24 hours or 1 day. You have second option until turn off. Click on this bottom option until you turn this off. There is another option when you turn this on. Select a person to whom you want to share. Click on this share button. Other way, turn this setting on and share location in WhatsApp. Go to WhatsApp chat and click on this document button and now click on this location. This way your location will be shared through WhatsApp. Like, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.